Hi, Professor. We are team of four members: Ranjit, Tarun, and Sumant, and myself, Abhiram. Project name is Integrated Food and Essentials Delivery Platform. Project introduction: a unified website to deliver both food and daily essentials. Combines a simple user interface, admin dashboard, and secure transactions. Goal is to fast, secure, and user-friendly online ordering platform. Tools and technologies are front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, back-end Node.js, and Express.js. Database is MongoDB using Mongoose library. Authentication, JWT, JSON Web Tokens. Front-end overview, built using React.js, fully responsible for mobile and desktop, includes homepage, product listing with category filters, cart system, checkout form, separate login for users and admin. The pitches are homepage UI. Key features are home navigation bar, home category counted as login, featured love food and daily essentials section, responsive design across devices. Product and cart. Highlights are category filters, example pasta, snacks, add to cart functionality, cart with quantity update and delete, subtotal calculation, and proceed to checkout button. And after keeping the order, the page. From here onwards, Ranjit will explain.
Hi, Professor. This is Ranjit. Uh, from here onwards, I'll explain the presentation front end login sign up pages. You can see the sign up pages over here. The front end admin can add new items here, whichever the customer likes to add any product in it. Front end admin can list all the items which we already can see two items here. Uh, so admin can see all the orders here. Admin can change the status of the orders whenever he wants. The backend overview here onwards, Sumant will explain the presentation.
Sumant, I guess you are on mute. Can you see?
Sorry, I was on mute. Here I'm here to let you know about the backend overview of my project. This project's backend is built using Node.js along with Express.js to handle the server-side logic. It provides several core functionalities such as user authentication, which is using JWT, which securely handles login and sign up, and product APIs are available for fetching, filtering, and performing full operations specifically designed for admin users. Uh, Overall, this setup ensures the backend is both scalable and secure. Lastly, we have developed a RESTful API which seamlessly connects to the front end built using React.js. Can you go to the next slide, please? The backend authentication. These slides explain us how JWT based authorization is implemented in the backend. Here is a big breakdown of the function. It extracts the token from the request headers. If no token is found, it immediately send back to the unauthorized response. If a token exists, it tries to verify the token is using the secret key and decodes the user ID from it. If verification is successful, it attaches the user ID to the request body and calls next so that it can pass to control the next middleware. If verification fails, it logs the error and return an error message. The middleware is crucial for protecting private routes that should only be accessible to be logged in users. Next slide, please. And the database design. For database, we are using MongoDB. MongoDB, and a NoSQL database that offers schema flexibility. We use three main collections: user, products, and orders. Basically, user exhibits stores user details like name, email, password, and the products includes details like name, price, category, description, and image. Orders exhibits holds order related information such as items, amount, address, and status, and date and payment and delivery. The advantages of using MongoDB is flexible it's flexible for using iteration updates, and operations which are using can be done easily. Secure storage with the support for validation and indexing to maintain data integrity and query efficiency. And now onwards, my friend Tarun gonna explain you rest of the slides.
This code snippet is a JavaScript function used in a Node.js backend, like for an e-commerce app. And this purpose for adds an item to a user cart in the database. And it works find the user by ID, and it retrieves the user existing cart data, checks if the item is already in the cart, and it updates the user cart in the database, and it sends a success error JSON response. The right side code defines a function place order in a Node.js backend used for handling order replacement. And it creates a new order using data from the request. Next slide, please. Here is the challenges encountered while we are doing this our project. It delays in integrating the payment API, UI bugs affecting responsiveness in light mode, and issues with handling JWT based logout, and some testing. Unit testing for backend API routes has been completed. Cross-browser testing of the UPI, validation of the card checkout functionality. Next slide, please. And these are the final tasks remaining. We have to done improving the light dark mode toggle functionality, ensuring UI consistency across all pages, integrate payment system like Stripe or PayPal, and performing final bug testing and deploy the function application. Thank you.
I will show the website. This is the sign-in page to create account. We got signed in and in the orders and logo. So we are currently doing this. So we are getting some errors here. We have two products now. These are the categories of the food, like salad, rolls, desserts, sandwiches, cake. So this is the backend where we can see database connected. I will show you the admin. Yeah, this is the admin page where we can add new items and product name and category. Product category. I guess. I guess some bug fixing is. Yeah, that's it, Professor. Thank you.
Thank you.